Hello my amazing people, how are you all doing? If today is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen, and to my old viewers, you all are welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make A.C.E juice at home. Please, after watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember also to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. For this recipe, I will be using 6 oranges, this quantity of carrots, and 1 lemon. Now it is time to start making the juice, and I will use a juicer to do that. And here is the amount of juice we got from the 6 oranges. Now it is time to juice the carrots and the lemon. After juicing them, we will mix everything together. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Remain blessed and see you in my next video. Bye.